Hello, my lovely, smart and intelligent learners. Today we'll be looking at correction to ratio. All right, before that, let's take note. A ratio B is the same thing as A divided by B, which means A over B. That means 3 ratio 4 will give you 3 divided by 4, which is 3 over 4. Now, let's look at 2 whole number 3 over 4. That mixed fraction can be turned to improper fraction by multiplying the denominator by the whole number. So you say 2 times 4, 8, and then add to the numerator, which is 11. So 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. And 11 over 4 is written as 11 ratio 4. Now, I want you to look at these exercises and see how many you can do. I've already treated this in the first video on ratio. And this time we will just be looking at the correction. Let's see the correction number 1. 8 ratio 20. That means 8 divided by 20. And 8 divided by 20 means 8 over 20 to do our working. By the time you cut 8 and 20 by 2, you will get 4 over 10. 2 can go because they are both even number. I have a video on divisibility. From 2 down to 12, I have divisibility of 7 as well. So 4 over 10, 2 will go into 4 and 10 because they are even numbers. So 2 into 4 is 2 and 2 into 10 is 5. And so our answer reads 2 over 5. And that will give you the proper answer to ratio 5 in the simplest form. So 8 ratio 20 in the simplest form is 2 to 5. All right, we have 15 to 35. And that means 15 divided by 35. So 15 ratio 35 is 15 divided by 35. And that's 15 over 35. And 5 will divide because 5 is the last digit. Any number that ends with 5 and 0, 5 will divide it. So 5 into 15 is 3, and 5 into 35 is 7. So 5 over 7 will be represented as 3 ratio 7. So 15 to 35 in its simplest form, or when you reduce it to its lowest term, you have 3 ratio 7. Now let's see correction 3. Now you have 6 months to 2 years. These are not the same unit, but you can make them the same unit so that you can do your working. 2 years means 2 times 12 months. Remember, 12 months make 1 year. So 2 years will be 2 times 12. 3 years will be 3 times 12. 4 years will be 4 times 12. In this case, we are given 2 years. That will be 6 months divided by 24 months. 2 times 12, 24. So 6 over 24. We can divide with 6. 6 into 6 will give you 1, and 6 into 24 will give you 4. But I used 2. 2 into 6 is 3, and 2 into 24 is 12. Then go ahead and cut with 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 12 is 4. Remember, if you add any 2 digits or any digit in a number together, the answer you get, check if 3 can divide it. For an instance, 2 plus 4 is 6. So 3 can divide 6. So 3 will divide 24. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 can divide 3. So 3 can divide 12. So our answer will become 1 ratio 4. So 6 months to 2 years will give you 1 ratio 4 in its simplest form. Number 4, we have 2 mixed fraction here. 1 whole number 3 over 8 ratio 2 whole number 5 over 8. Remember, your mixed fraction can be changed to improper fraction. So you have 8 times 1, 8 plus 3, 11 over 8. Divided by 8 times 2, 16, plus 5, 21 over 8. So 11 over 8 times, the divide turns to times, and then you take the reciprocal of 21 over 8. That means 8 over 21. Just turn the other way around. Okay, so 8 divide 8. And then we are left with 11 over 21. Remember, 11 is a prime number. And prime numbers, they have only two factors. That means only two things can go into them, and that is 1 and themselves. So 11 over 21 will give you the answer 11 ratio 21. Now let's look at the final correction, 6.25 to 2. This time we have two decimal places in 6.25. It's two decimal places. And so we say 625 with the decimal place taken off. So, and then you multiply 2 by 100 because it's two decimal places. If it was one decimal place, you multiply by 10. If it is three decimal place, you multiply by 1,000. But this time, we are looking at two decimal places, and so we'll be multiplying by 100. So that will give you 625 divided by 200. And so 5 can go because the last digit is ending with 0 and 5. So 5 into 625 will give you 125. You can do that with long division. And 5 into 200 will give you 40. And 5 into 125 will give you 25. And 5 into 40 is 8. If you don't really know how to divide, you've forgotten how to cut, then you need to look at my video on YouTube on how to divide. So 25 over 8 will give you the answer 25 ratio 8. So 6.25 to 2 in its simplest form is 25 ratio 8. Thank you. Now, don't forget to send your answers to me on my WhatsApp 090-989-32234. You can always like my video on YouTube and, of course, subscribe. Thank you so much.